Taili have 3 industrial production bases located in Guangdong, Shanghai, and Hebei province. We set up automated unmanned production line, provides one-step house of storage solutions covering planning, organization, and preservation. Taili owns 1 doctor's workstation and a number of new materials laboratories and vacuum research institutes. Moving forward with the goals of being high-tech, innovative scientific, and technological enterprises. At the same time, nearly 1,500 square meters photography base covering a number of popular decoration styles and live scenes can meet the needs of different products and customize the scene. 20 e-commerce broadcast rooms with different scene styles have created a live broadcast platform for cross-boundary resource integration and resource realization, which will cooperate with more enterprises for mutual benefit and win-win results. Taili Business Academy, covering nearly 1,500 square meters, focusing on talent cultivation, has built an e-commerce industrial park integrating film and television production, e-commerce, live broadcasting, and business training. Nowadays, Taili has been fully developed in new materials, new technology, new structure, new design, and other fields, leading China's high-end home storage products market to meet the storage needs in the sense of wardrobe, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, balcony, travel, and so on, to make each item have its own home.